Confidence hack number 10, 300,000 things and why less is way, way more. Today's confidence boost is about gaining confidence through minimalism. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. If you want daily confidence boosts directly to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com, sign up for free to get these confidence boosts coming every morning and much, much more. There is a fallacy in self-improvement that you have to add more things to your routine. Add more to your morning routine. Eat this food for more nutrients. Attend that conference to connect. But honestly, that is not the way to gain true confidence. Confidence is gained through not what you add, but what you delete. Life gets overwhelming. I think we all can agree to that because there is always more. It doesn't matter if it's activities, meetings, habits, health foods. It might help spark confidence, but it never will help you fully sustain confidence. Enter the hot term minimalism. According to the American Medical Association, the average human being makes 35,000 choices per day. I don't care how you package it, that is a lot. And if you think that's a big number, wait until this next one from NPR. The average American owns, drumroll please, 300,000 items in their home. Yes, 300,000 items. Are you overwhelmed just by reading that? I am. How can we conquer this ever-adding more society that we live in? Move deep into the mountains of Tibet? Yeah, maybe. But in a more realistic way, start downsizing decisions and things. There's 3 ways, 3 keys to implement minimalism to gain confidence. Number 1, one thing per day mindset. At the start of each day, ask yourself the question, what is the one thing that I can do today that would make a difference in my life and the life of others? One thing, not 37 on a never-ending checklist. Number 2, can I not live without it? Spend an afternoon going through clothes, things, toys, pots, pans, cups, whatever it might be, and ask yourself the question, can I not live without it? If the answer is yes, toss it. If the answer is a resounding no, keep it. And if the answer is a maybe, yeah, toss it. Number 3, build in time to recharge. Mornings and evenings usually are the most advantageous for this. Build in your, what I call, bucket times. The mornings are primarily best for quiet time, reading, time to ramp up into your day. Evenings are the best time for unwinding, recharging, and ramping down from your day. But, and this is a very important but, these ramp ups and ramp downs do not include screen time. I repeat, they do not include screen time. You must bucket time, meaning pick a window of time that you are using for your charge up in the morning and your recharge in the evening. Make sure you keep those buckets, those times. That will be important for your rhythm, building in time to recharge. So today, gain confidence. The confidence boost comes through less is actually way, way more. In things, in decisions, when people ask you to do this, that, and the other, the power of saying no, confidence today comes through the power of embracing minimalism.